मैं डॉक्टर उदय शंकर दास, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जियोलॉजी, आर.एस. कॉलेज तारापुर। मैं आज आप लोगों को क्लीवेज एंड पैटर्न्स ऑफ क्लीवेज इन एनिमल्स के बारे में बतलाने जा रहा हूँ। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी व्हाट इज क्लीवेज। क्लीवेज means segmentation, and cleavage occurs just after fertilization of the egg. Immediately after fertilization, the fertilized ovum undergoes series of cell divisions. These divisions are called cleavage. See, this is the fertilized egg zygote. The zygote undergoes cleavage. First cleavage forms two cell stage, and these two cells are called blastomeres. Through second cleavage forms four cell stage. Again third cleavage forms 8 cell stage, 16 cell stage, like that, and this zygote transforms into a mass of cells, ball of cells called morula, and morula later changes into a hollow ball of cells called blastula. It means cleavage is the repeated mitotic division of zygote to form a solid ball of cells called morula, and which later changes into a hollow ball of cells called blastula. Okay. During cleavage, almost no growth occurs between conjugative divisions, and the total volume of living matter does not change, and the size of the cells is reduced by almost half at each divisions. During this cleavage, at the beginning of cleavage, cell division occur at the same time in all blastomeres, and the number of cells is double at each division. As cleavage progresses, the cells no longer divide at the same time. Means cleavage is the repeated mitotic division of zygote to form a solid ball of cells called morula, which later changes into a hollow ball of cells called blastula. Okay, now we'll see the characteristics of cleavage. Cleavage occurs soon after fertilization. In cleavage, all cells are dividing at a time for certain period called synchronization. During cleavage, the total embryonic mass remains constant, remains unchanged. There is no growth phase between the successive divisions, so cleavage decreases the cell size. There is no growth phase between successive divisions. The general shape of the embryo does not change except for the formation of a cavity called blastocele. The ratio of nucleus to cytoplasm is very low in the beginning of cleavage, but this ratio becomes equal to the level found in normal somatic cells. Now we'll see planes of cleavage. The cleavage is initiated by the appearance of a constriction or a groove called cleavage furrow. When cleavage starts, there is a constriction or a groove is formed, and that is called cleavage furrow. Different cleavage furrow may divide the egg at different planes, and these planes of cleavage are meridional plane, vertical plane, equatorial plane, latitudinal plane. We will see one by one. First, meridional plane. What is meridional plane? When cleavage furrow pass through the center of the animal vegetal axis and bisects both the poles of the egg, the plane of cleavage is meridian plane. It divides the egg into two equal blastomeres. See, this is the zygote, fertilized egg. This is animal pole, vegetal pole, and this is the plane, meridional plane, and divides the egg into two equal blastomeres. Meridional plane passes along one animal pole to vegetal pole. Vertical plane. When the cleavage furrow pass from the animal pole to vegetal pole, but it does not pass through the median axis of the egg. Vertical plane divides the egg into two unequal blastomeres. It is also called longitudinal plane of cleavage. Vertical plane is also called longitudinal plane of cleavage. We can see through this diagram. This is the vertical plane. This green line shows vertical plane. This is meridional plane, and this vertical plane divides the egg into two unequal blastomeres. Equatorial plane. This type of cleavage furrow bisect the egg at right angles to the median axis and halfway between the animal and vegetal pole, that is at the equatorial region. It divides the egg into two halves. We will see through diagram. Equatorial plane. This is equatorial plane. This pink line shows equatorial plane divides the egg into two equal halves, upper halves and lower halves. And this pass through the at right angles to the median axis, equatorial plane. Now coming to latitudinal planes. The latitudinal plane of cleavage is a furrow that passes through on either side of the equatorial plane and is parallel to it. It is also called transverse or horizontal plane. Latitudinal plane is also called transverse or horizontal plane, resulting into two unequal size upper and lower blastomeres. This is the latitudinal plane. This line, this is equatorial plane. So this latitudinal plane may be either side of this equatorial plane, and this latitudinal plane divides it into upper and lower blastomeres. In the next lecture, we will see about the patterns of cleavage. Thank you.